A wonderful morning to everyone. I'm Reena, an English language enthusiast and today's orator. I hope you all are doing amazing. And a heartfelt thank you, my co-learners. Your positive energy, presence, and support truly means a lot for me. So thanks everyone for unwavering support. So before I begin, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and think about one dream that quietly lives inside your heart. Maybe it's something you saw long ago. Maybe it's something you whisper yourself when no one is around. Hold that dream for a moment because today I want to talk about how to bring that dream in your life. Yes, through the bridge between imagination and reality. And that is also title of my speech, the bridge between imagination and reality. So let's deep dive into this topic together. Let's understand what it really means and let's explore how we can all build our own bridge between imagination and reality. So life feels still when life feels still. So sometimes we do our best, but nothing changes. We work, we wait, and we pray, but result does not come. And we just begin to doubt ourselves and start believing maybe I was never meant for more. So, my dear friends, let me tell you, life silence is not a rejection; it is a preparation. When nothing seems move outside, everything is growing inside. Yes, every tear you shed, every fear you face, it is all help you to connect to your invisible bridge between imagination and reality. So let me tell you one real life example that how he beautifully built his bridge through imagination, through between imagination and reality. So Albert Einstein, we all know, we all remember as a genius, but few of us remember how his story began. He did not speak until he was 4 years old. Yes. He learned to read very late. His teacher thought he was lazy. One of them even said he will never do great in life. He failed in many exams. He was rejected from schools. He was told you are not smart enough. But Einstein did not stop dreaming. And he did not stop imagining. He used to stare at light and wonder what it would feel like with traveled ray of light. That imagination became his life turning point. Years later, the same slow boy changed the way the world understands space, time, and light. Proved that imagination is not a fantasy, it is a power. And Einstein once said imagination is more important than knowledge because now knowledge is limited, but imagination encircles the world. Einstein did not walk on ready-made road. He built his own bridge, a bridge that connected what he dreamed with what he created. So let me share my personal story and my real experience and what I believe that real experience is speak louder than words. So I'm the one who comes from the Hindi medium background. Neither I got any environment to excel this language. English has not been my first language, and I afraid of it. And at the very first time I encountered English was in sixth standard, and honestly, I didn't understand a single word. After my graduation, I did not know the simple English word. I couldn't make small sentences properly. I used to sit quietly when people spoke. I smiled and pretend to understand, but deep inside I felt nervous, small, and lost. I wanted to speak, I wanted to express myself, but my voice trembled and my mind said, "You can't do it." I felt helpless. And one day I realized that maybe God didn't give me the ready-made road. He wanted me to build my own bridge between imagination and reality. So I started watching the conversation YouTube videos and read children books, listening podcasts, and I used to talk with my co-learners 6 hours a day. And I didn't understand it first and practice every single day. People told me it's not your cup of tea, but I smiled because I knew my belief is stronger than their doubt. And today, when I stand here in front of you, I don't feel afraid anymore because I knew I didn't find this road ready-made. I built my own bridge. I say, if someone like me who once did not understand even simple English can speak confidently, so anyone can. You just have to believe, you just have to take one more step and never stop building your bridge, because you are closer than you think. So when life will test you, now come to the most important point. Life will test you. Yes, life will test you again and again. Your bridge will shake and you will question your worth. But remember, the bridge that faces the strongest storm become the strongest bridge. And my dear friends, your challenges are not meant to stop you. They are meant to strengthen you. Don't ask why me. Instead, ask what is this teaching me? And because every lesson is a plank of your bridge connecting your dream to your destiny. The bridge of gratitude. Now come to the most important point, the bridge of gratitude. And while you are building your own bridge, don't forget to be thankful. Thank your struggle, they shaped you. Thank your failure, they refined you. Thank your rejections, they redirected you. Thank your tears, they washed away from your fear. Because gratitude turns pain into power and brokenness into beauty. Be the bridge for others. Yes, my dear friends, be the bridge for others. When you finally cross your bridge, don't destroy it. Leave it for others, because behind you someone is waiting, afraid, uncertain, just like you once were. Your story can give them courage. Your journey can give them direction. Your bridge can help them believe again. That is what real success means, when your victory becomes someone else's hope. So my dear friends, don't stop there. You are closer than you think. You are already halfway. One day you will stand on the other side and whisper yourself, I once imagined that's the life I once imagined, and today I'm living it. So before I end, I want to give you something, not just what, but blessing from my heart. May your imagination never die. May your faith stay stronger than your fear. May you always find the courage to build your bridge even when no road is visible. And may every pain in your journey turn into power, wisdom, and compassion. Whenever life feels heavy, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and remind yourself, I am building my bridge and I am closer than I think. So thank you for listening.